This here is one of the most important trees in Stittsville. Top 10 for sure. It's definitely a spruce or a maple, or it could be an elk actually. Just look at it. Yeah, and law enforcement will often use the best trees as a lookout or as a spy nest. There's this one tree, though, in Stittsville that we all have a very special relationship with. There it is. McIntosh Apple tree. First McIntosh apple tree ever discovered was just south of here. Well, you just go past Kentville, actually, and a left at Hallsville, and then you go straight to Haynesville, and then you go through Spencerville, and then to Stantville, but it's basically Stittsville. Oh my God. Oh, I knew it. I knew they shouldn't have these trees here. I knew this would happen. I've been telling them. Oh. Listen, I know McIntosh apples have a lot of fans. The internet's just full of them. But there's a dark side to that red, delicious piece of fruit. First incident that I know of was, it was at Stittsville Public Elementary. There was a young boy there, just the sweetest boy you've ever seen. He brought his teacher an apple, which is what you do when you're the teacher's pet. But there was a Sean there, and you could guess what happened next. He took the boy's apple that day, but really, he took so much more. He just about took my head clean off. The boy's head. So ever since then, there's been a petition to register apples as a lethal weapon. Ban all apples. Anyone want to sign? Ban McIntosh apples? No. We're here in one of the busiest trails in all of Stittsville. Trans-Canada Trail. It's not only trans people use it. We got all sorts of different types of teachers, students. It's crazy. But people, they're afraid to sign it, and you could understand why, because, Apple people, they're hardcore, especially here in Stittsville. Me, I'm more of a softcore guy. Yeah, sure, I'm a tree hugger. You could say that. A lot of people say that. But that's it. I don't go any further than that. Just hugging. Code red. We got a code red. Possible Sean. He's got something in his hand, in his mouth. It actually could be cocaine. We don't know. Okay, he's walking away. He's going faster now. He's running. Okay. Okay, I think he's gonna get away this time. With just a warning. Yeah, he's getting away. You know what? I guess you just gotta learn to live with the bad apples. Even if they come from a rotten tree, because they still have roots. They still have roots here in Stittsville. That's a metaphor. I'm good at that, metaphorically speaking.